What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey. If you're returning, hey. So today is HBCU Beach Day. Make sure you guys hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And tune into my socials. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. When I like that, I keep me 100 bucks. They can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Smoke guns and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the color up for the sun. Alright, y'all. So, the first thing I'm gonna do, probably here first because I wanted to lay down. I'm really excited for Beach Day. I've been in Jacksonville for like 3 years and I haven't been to it, mainly because college soccer. I took the semester off from soccer and I just felt like it was the right thing to do. I don't really miss it. I don't miss the team that I was on. I don't miss the coach that I was with. However, I love the friendships that I had at the time. It's just that's a different time in my life. I really want to focus on my life after school because I'm supposed to graduate this semester. I'm wiping off the deodorant off my armpits. I gotta shave my armpits, y'all. This is what men are for. Watch out!
He's still alive. That bitch still squirming.
I just came back from church and this braid has lasted me 4 days, y'all, which is like really surprising. I'm kind of scared to see how it looks under here. I mean, it don't look too bad, but she is definitely getting old. Like you can see right here, she's getting old. I really fumbled the bag because I forgot to bring an edge brush. Whatever. I'm gonna just push these little hairs out the way. Let them lay down. I really hate to do this. I really do. But I'm gonna go in with a spoolie now. And then I picked up some Got2b glue because I love me some Got2b. Like, it holds my edges down so good. So I'm gonna put that on there like this. It's either you know how to lay them or you don't. It's so, and you press it. Right now it's 2:30. I wanted to try and leave by 3. I'm going in with my Morphe brow pencil in Java. Y'all know this is my favorite. And I'm just filling them in. I used the Got2b and brushed them up. If you're watching from Florida, hey. Tune into my girls. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Ryan around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure 4. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rap get too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture, bro. Make the braid, this dick and start getting low. I spent time on the roots on the Lambo and didn't even know how to read them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Got it fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind the years. In the room, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. The police got the period. So this is the look for HBCU Beach Day. This is it. I'll get a better angle of it.
They seem to say.
Can't count on him to film for me. But we on the way to the beach now. And I'll link the outfit in the description box. These glasses are from Amazon. I'll show y'all what they look like on. And then I have my wallet. And my sandals are also from Shein. So my whole outfit is basically from Shein. I was gonna wear my Yeezy slides, but I couldn't find them. So I was like, it's okay. Like, I'm gonna just wear some other slides that I have. See you at the beach. Okay, so we made it to the beach, y'all.
and we're just trying to find parking. Like, there's absolutely no parking anywhere. It's deep outside. Everybody's outside. There's usually like public parking at the beach, so you just pay by the meter, but both lots were full. So we're just going kind of further away from where everybody is and trying to figure out like where to park. Maybe in here. So back to ooh, follow those people. Yes. So we got a spot. Period. Wait, ask them if they paid. And a trick, y'all, if y'all park somewhere that you're not supposed to be, or you park somewhere and you're not trying to pay, to just turn your wheel like a lot. So if the tow truck comes and they try to pull you out, like, they're not gonna be able to pull you out because you're gonna hit the cars next to you. All right, so we'll see you guys when we get to the beach, or when we walk to the beach. Y'all, Jacksonville's like my city, but not really my city. Y'all, since I turned 21, I have not been to the beach bars. I think that's the issue, but I'm gonna get there sooner or later. You give them a better look at my outfit. This is my outfit. If you guys can't see it all the way, I'm sorry. It's Bryce who's recording, so. Okay, y'all, so the entrance that we went into, there was nobody there. So we're going deeper down, like this, in this direction. We just gonna follow these people right here because they look like they dressed for the occasion. We look good. Please don't play with us. That's always the occasion. Hey. I'm like,
You know her?
yeah, I know her.
How the hell you know her?
She go to JU.
For real?
Yeah. Shout out to her.
Should we go this one?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
HBCU Beach
Guess we
Day.
just go walk on this bridge, see if we see somebody.
That we know.
It's a lovely Sunday. God bless y'all and shit, we live.
Yo, Metro. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can't knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me. Exotic frame of Philippines. No kissing, no stain, no pressure clean. Pass out the chain with hella beats. While the water like rain on that G-Star beat.
Alright, y'all, hopefully it doesn't get copyrighted, but we're just chilling. I mean, it's just me and Bryce, like me and my man. So it's just us. We didn't come out here with no friends or nothing, but y'all can see in the back, like, people just having a good time. We got some people down there playing volleyball. If you guys like this video, make sure y'all leave me a like, a comment, and a subscribe.
I'm glad it's not as hot as I usually do.
If we would have came at noon, it would have been hot as hell.
It's a vlog.
Hi, yeah, it's a vlog.
What the name
Y'all
is?
want to shout yourself out?
Yeah.
340 money over here, yeah.
48 count, number 4, 2 Y's and a K.
You a dope boy. Come here.
Danny got curls on YouTube. Hi! Do you bite?
I spent $2,500 on it. How about it?
Oh, you're so cute! Oh! No.
Yeah, he bought money.
I might start copping gold like I'm Mr. T. I won't ride that new rose that been it be.
slid from the beach. It was actually not as packed as we thought it was. It was saying like it was supposed to be 5,000 people, but you know, we had to go and support the HBCUs and everybody else, all the black folks, so we went out or whatever. Now we back at the apartment. My man want to take some pictures by his car, so finna flick him up, I guess. My camera's about to die, so
Why you threw my phone?
yo, not me dropping my phone under the car. Oh it's the way that my legs are so sore from hitting hamstrings yesterday. All right, y'all, so my camera about to die, but anyways, I'm gonna see y'all when I get back in the house or whatever. Bye.